Hi, my name is Jeceryn Briones from IE2205, and I am now going to do our first assignment in AutoCAD. So you need to open your app first, and then you need to click on Start Drawing. And then after that, you need to place your X and Y here in the middle for you to see it easily. So my first command is line. Just type line and then enter. Since my first line is coordinates, you need to put hashtag first before typing the numbers. So shift number 3, and then that would give you the hashtag, and then type the number 1, 1, and then enter. And then the next coordinates are hashtag 4.1, 1, and then enter. And then the next coordinates are hashtag 4.5, 2.2, and then enter. And then the next line is 180 degrees, which have the length of 2.3. So Control L to straight the line ortho on, and then type the length. The length is 2.3, and then enter. And then the next one is angled at 150 degrees. So that would give us 30 degrees. So type the length first, 1.4, and then tab, and then specify the angle. So the angle is 30 degrees. Type 30 and then enter. And then the next one is 2.1, and then enter. And then the next one is angled at 150 degrees. So from X, that would give us 120 degrees. So type the length first, which is 1.6, and then tab, and then specify the angle, which would give us 120 degrees, and then enter. And then the next line is 1.3. Just type 1.3 and then enter. And then the next one is downwards, which would give us the length of 1.4. Type 1.4 and then enter. And then the next one is angled at 45 degrees. So its length is 2.2. Type 2.2 and then tab, then specify the angle. So the angle of this, the angle of this is 135 degrees. Enter. And then our next line is 1.0. The length is 1.0, so just type 1.0. Then enter. And then the next one is angled at 45 degrees, so that would give us 135 again. So type the length first. The length is 1.5, and then tab, and then specify the angle. The angle is 135 degrees, and then enter. And then the next line is straight line, which would have a length of 1.0. Just type 1.0 and then enter. And then the next line is angled at 160. That is 60 degrees. Angled at 60 degrees. So just type the length, 2.3, and then tab, and then specify the angle. The angle is 60 degrees. And then enter. And then our last line, you need to just connect it from the end point, and that would give us 120 degrees. So just click the left click of your mouse and then click escape. There you go. So we need to check if our length and angles are correct. So to do that, you need to click the lines here, and then we need to check linear first. Linear is right here. So 1.3 is correct. Other linear, just click the endpoint to endpoint. And then right there. And then here. So far, so good. All of our length is correct for now. I don't know later if our angles are also correct. So I'm sorry, this is aligned. So the linear here is right here. And then we need to check the aligned. the aligned is right here. So yes, it is correct. And then here, also here. And then the line here is also angled. I'm sorry, is also aligned. And then the next one is the line here. So from end point to end point. And then the last one, but not the least, is here. So there you go. So we need to check the angles. The angles, you need to click the lines here. Yeah. And that would give you the result. That would give us the result if we are having a correct angle. So the next one is here and here. And then the last one, the last angle is right here. I'm sorry, it's not our last one. We need to put angle at this, but I need to command line first. Yeah. And then I will specify here, here, and then escape. So I did that line for us to know if I got the correct angle here. So this must be 45 degrees. So far so good. I got it right. And then we need to multi-line text, add multi-line text for us to determine our coordinates. So just type the coordinates just like that. And then command text, multi-line, and then create a box here. And then 4.1, 1. And then yeah. And then our last but not the least is our coordinates right here. So the coordinates are right here. So just type the coordinates 4.5, 2.2. And then enter. So far I got it all right. So I hope you learned something from me today, although I'm a bit mess. But I did hope that you learned something from me today. Thank you for watching.